where we loaded, they gave us the patches right off their uniform. These F-16s. The road from 80 is not the greatest, but it's at least a road that I know will take us. So. The road in from 80. I went that canyon way. We'd have to hook up your fan. It's just kind of a steep, windy. It's a road that you can take empty. That's what she asked. She's like, "How heavy are you guys?" I said 40, and she's like, "That's probably fine, but we'll just go out to 80 and get this shit out there." I mean, those other two trucks loaded this morning, they're going to be here all day anyways. We'll be out there probably about noon, 12:30. Now that I think about it, that road that I said, oh, Google shouldn't record those, that's to the right there. That's the Pony Express Road. It would have took us across there if Google wanted to. But we'll just go out this way, and then we know we can get there safe and sound. No biggie. We're only 9 miles from where we turn anyway, so we might be able to even cut across, kind of head out towards Grantsville and take that new road. It probably cut us some time instead of going through Tooele.
Oh yeah, that big wide road. Yeah, usually they just drive cars and that's all they do. They don't mark the road. Like days I'm gonna buy another Jeep like they used to have for trucks. They would have not taken you down that road.
I just hate that you have to update those fucking things all the time. I wish somebody would come out with a good truckers app. I'd even pay $10 a month if they kept it up to date, and if you could input all your weights and dimensions. There is some like that, but they're really not worth a shit.
I know somebody can make the app if we can figure out all the roads.
Google, they should just mark what roads are dirt and what roads are gravel and not recommend those to cars, or ask if you're an off-highway vehicle, then it'll recommend it or something. I don't know how they can't do something like that. Dugway. Gotta get checked in, and I'll see you guys when we get done. Rapido. Somebody out here panhandling. This person's holding up the whole lane just to give away money. Come off it. This person sits out here all the time. Please help. I have 2 kids, need food and diapers and wipes. We all need help. I try to go to work and I don't know. I feel bad for some people, but I have a hard time when she stands out here 10 hours a day all week long. Try to help when I can, but I don't know. She's sitting there texting behind her sign, so she's got a cell phone and everything. I think everybody in America is struggling. That'll do it for today. See what tomorrow brings. See you guys in the next one.